Hey guys, today we are taking a look at Tygod adjustable aluminium alloy tripod stand. This tripod comes in a cardboard packaging with the Tygod branding on the box, and the box is properly sealed with plastic tapes. Upon opening the box, we get the tripod which is inside the bag, and we also get this warranty card from Tygod with promotional offers on it. Now there are two major components inside this plastic bag. The first is the phone bracket and the second is our aluminium tripod, which you can see here. At the top of the tripod, a level tester is pre-installed, which comes in handy when you are adjusting the tripod. Now with the help of this plastic phone bracket, you can connect your smartphone with this phone bracket and you can mount it on the top of the tripod as shown here. So for demonstration purpose, here you can see an Android phone is being connected to this phone bracket, and the grip of this phone bracket easily holds the weight of the phone. And the grip of this phone bracket ensures that your phone is properly sealed, and you can even use the screen of your phone from one side of the bracket. You can mount this phone bracket on the top of the tripod with the adjustable screw. Now at the bottom of this tripod there are 4 section lever lock legs which can be adjusted according to your need. And with these lever lock legs fully open, the total height of the tripod comes to 105 centimeters or 3.4 feet. This tripod is fully compatible with smartphones and digital cameras. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.